Hi, in this video I will show how to import QAF file created from my converting app into Quicken, and this is a test account I have just for demonstration purposes. To import file, I will go to File Import QAF file, then I will go to Browse and go to Desktop. I have this file on my desktop, so I will select File. And next thing, it's important I have these transactions checked because they are transactions in this file, and I have special handling for transfers is checked. And then I will click next, and you can see like 29 transactions were imported, and we can go and see done. And we can go and see all these transactions from Excel file now imported into Quicken. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.